it got into the public domain in that way. The permanent vigilance that, as a sport, we have always displayed around our anti-doping processes has been good. And it is extremely difficult to conclude on one reading across a longitudinal set of studies that something is a sanctionable offence. Sometimes you need 3, 4, 5 readings to support and corroborate that. Then it goes through to a panel of experts, and those panel of experts will be dealing with that, not as an individual, but as an anonymised individual where simply the science, the application of science is applied. And therefore there is a very clear roadmap to concluding a sanction. And one reading that is suddenly out of context, put into the public domain, can be extremely misleading.
Addressing news conference in the Kenyan capital, Nairobi, his main concern was the rise of the clean athletes than those of cheats in the sport.
Of course, we want to continue to make sure our sport is clean. Everything that we've been doing in the last 2 years has been to return trust to the clean athletes. The clean athletes are the most important people in this group. I care more about their human rights than I do about the human rights of those that choose to cheat. And it is very, very important that we don't lose sight of that. But we are a sport that has led from the front on so many occasions.
Among Kenyans whose personal medical records were leaked by the global hackers are the 3-time world 1,500 meters champion Aspel Kiprop, javelin world champion and Olympic silver medalist Julius Yego.
Away they go then. Watch out.
Kenya will be represented by a total of 58 athletes who will be seeking to clinch more gold medals. The championship has seen over 1,200 athletes participate from 130 countries. This championship is expected to be breathtaking. Eddie Kavai, KTN News.
Front runners as we cross.
So it's a global athletics event. Let's just find out just what does the IAAF World Youth Championships mean. It is a global track and field event that is for competitors aged 17 years and below. It was initially called the IAAF World Youth Championships in Athletics before being renamed. It is a biannual event that was first held in the year 1999. Now in November 2014, Kenya persuaded the IAAF Council to endorse its right to host the event. This is the second time the event is being hosted in Africa after being first hosted in Morocco. Over 2,000 participants from a total of 159 countries are expected to be gracing the track and field events at Kasarani Stadium. It is set to run from the 12th of July to the 16th of July. It is a 4-day event. It is the last under-18 championships after IAAF scrapped it off the athletics calendar. Kenya has topped the table standings twice previously, in 1999 and 2009.